Hello everyone. Our babies, Molly's M&Ms, are 4 weeks old today. Molly got a new toy, which she's been pretty excited about. From her Meow box. What's this? Pew. Pew. And these cute little blueberries that go in her blueberry container. So if that's not the cutest thing I've ever seen, I don't know what is. Here you go. There you go. Keep those all for yourself. Oh, she says thanks. And what's going on over here? Hello? Hi. What are you guys doing? There's someone in the tart. My mama's losing it. She loves these toys. They got some catnip, huh? Another blueberry. There you go. Oh, yeah. What about this? She says, you're kidding. Where did you get this? She says, that's amazing. Oh, there's fur flying now. Woohoo. Okay, you can have it. There's someone on my foot. My very dirty socks. Hi. Oh, hi, Applebee. Mousy. Look who's making an appearance. Who is that? And we're still going crazy over here. Here, have another. There you go. Yum, 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 yum. What are you guys doing? We're at the age where we are walking and exploring, but we don't quite understand toys yet. So we're licking the floor instead, which seems very logical.
What are you doing? Do you know? No, he's not really sure. Hi, Moose.
Are you leaving the tart? Yeah. Mama, can we borrow that wand? She says, you're kidding. That's my wand. Okay, I'll play with this. And I'll try to show you. See? Yeah, that's terrifying.
You want to play with that, Milo? She says, no, I don't. Take that back.
It's very scary.
What are you doing, Mouse? Hi, Nene. Want to play with this? No, she says, that's scary. Come on. Anything?
She says, get that away from me.
Okay, sorry. Mouse, what are you doing in there?
That's right, because that toy was made for just walking through. Highly sellable point. Oh, what are you doing? You want your sunflowers back? I think she's happy enough in kitty catnip land. Oh my. Oh yeah, happy mama. Yeah.
Did you get back in the fruit tart, Maggie? Yeah.
Hmm? Let's go over to where there's a kitty fight going on.
Hi, guys. What's going on?
Three tails. That is Mimi, who just jumped on top of Mouse. Bam! Take him down. Yeah, take that. Take that.
Well, hi, Mimi. Want a mouse?
Mama, you good? Yes, she says, I'm just having a great time. I don't blame you.
Hi, Maggie.
Out to the fruit tart. Are you stuck, honey? I know you're not stuck because you get in and out all the time. Yeah.
I know your siblings are over here. You want to see them? Come on. Come on. Do you want to play? See that? Oh, good job. You tapped it. Yeah, just take that. Milo, do you know what to do? No, he's going to come see you. Okay. That's a good plan, buddy. What do you think? Whoosh, gotcha. What do you think? Oh no, kitty down. Kitty down. Oh no, Mimi, get back up. Jesus, I've fallen. Oh, back up, back up. What do you think? Can you smack this? It's kind of scary, huh? I
think maybe this week we'll start to play with toys, but we're just not there yet. Oh, you left your toys behind. Oh, maybe we wanted our sunflowers. Mama, show them how it's done. There we go. Kitty, kitty. Hi, babies. Yeah. Molly's going to the vet in the morning. Yeah, you are. And who's this tiny baby? That's Maggie. Come on, guys. Yeah. Come on out. Still got our little radar tails at this age. Stick straight up wherever we go. They love underneath this little cat house because it's a darker, more confined space, so they feel safer playing.
Where are you going, sir? Boop. Hi. Radar tail. Uh-oh. Where are they going?
What are they doing? What do you think? Who's over there? Those are the two girls.
What are they doing?
Huh? Oh, good. We're gonna walk through the toy again. As you should. Here come the babies.
Mouse, come on. He says it's a scary world out there. I'm gonna play with my mouse. What are you doing?
Are you rubbing on your little mousey bud?
You want it back? Yes, please. There. Here you go.
Oh my. You're very busy, aren't you? Yeah, she says, I think this is how this toy works. You're doing so good.
Hi, guys.
Are we having a sip of water? They've never had a sip of water, Mama. She's got litter dust on her. And what are you doing to this blanket?
He says what needs to be done. I must dig.
So at this age, we are just learning this week how to use a litter box, how to play. They've been playing for about a week and a half now, but mostly just kind of rolling over and patting their siblings. But now we're learning to run around and jump a little bit more. Toys, not so much, but that'll be next.
What's under there? Oh, hi, mouse. Are you rolling around?
Can't even tell which limb is which. And then we've got our, let's see. Oh, good, you found a wire. A wire we will be moving. That's right. She says, just wanted to remind you.
Hi. Come on out, guys. Mama, you getting some good water? And what are you doing? He says, I'm finding the perfect spot in this blanket. What are you doing? Why are you so cute? He says, I was just born this way, really.
Buddy, you should do that and you should learn to go potty.
No, he says, I don't think that's what I'm gonna do. He says, that sounds like a lot of work.
You want to try?
Come on.
I have this litter box for you, sir. Would you like to try?
Ready? Okay. Woo! And dig. Dig. Dig.
He says, what does she want from me? She's crazy. What do you think? Nope, it's a no. We tried. We shall keep trying.
What are you guys doing?
Battle royaling?
Mouse, be nice. He says, take that.
Kittens are learning how hard they can bite their siblings right now. When they, oh no, look at that little face push.
Yes, Mama. That's how they learn. They gotta learn how hard it's too hard to bite. What's that baby doing?
What are you doing? Are you peeing? Or are you just sitting there? Did you just lay and pee? No, we're good. Welcome to 4-week-old kittens, where you're not sure if there's pee somewhere.
Mm-hmm. How my boy? I love this boy. Mm-hmm. And there you go. Have fun.
Yeah. And now you're, oh, that's my phone case. Oopsies, frog legs.
Come on, miss. Yeah, there you go, bud.
They do love this corner.
Mama, what you doing? Hmm?
Oh, bam, bam. Pew, 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 pew. Gotcha, 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 gotcha. Pew. Pew, pew, pew.
Hi, Moosey. How the moose? Says I'm just chilling, just growing. Yeah. The usual. The usual. Yeah, mama.
Let's see if I can stand up and give you a better idea about how small they are. If our camera will focus.
Hi, guys. There's little mouse.
There's my foot comparison.
Yes.
It's a rainy day here. Yeah. But we're exploring the tripod now. We're about to take our 4-week-old photos to show how kittens grow up. That's right.
All right, mouse, say goodbye. Mm-hmm, bye-bye. Yeah, bye, mouse.